Next we're going to be looking at double rope systems and the new Petzl equipment that's on the market now. And lastly we're going to be doing a bit of an introduction into rigging mechanics, rigging physics, expedition rigging, something I term rigging outside the box. Petzl gear's got a hell of a lot going for it. I'm sure those of you that use it for the same reasons. You just know where you're at with it. It's like, it handles so well and so reliably. Has anyone got an SRT harness, the new Sequoia SRT? The benefits to this extendable bridge. Has anyone used extendable bridge? So we've got zigzag and zigzag plus here. The difference is zigzag plus, it's got this swivel built into it. The Zilon, again, I really like it. You just know where you're at with it, handles really well. Talk through the Petzl Eject. I don't know if any of you have seen that or used it. It's a super safe system, really well engineered. It's got a long tail on this retrieval ball, so don't tie them up super tight like that, otherwise the catch won't disengage. And that slides in. Once that splice comes out, that button will pop down like that, and then that allows this catch here to pull that to one side and then pull that out too. Now I'm going to add on a chicane. Yeah, essentially it's basically designed to be used as like a unit. Knee ascender, which I find works best, pass it down through the centre of the D-rings. Pop it here and then you can use this adjustment strap. So that obviously can be used in conjunction with the double rope here, this conditional belay. You may as well just demo that. You start to learn kind of different techniques and ways to improvise and things that are very much outside of that box. Yeah, so some trips. This is taken in Greenland. Spent I think 19 days living on the wall. Not all of this or much of it is applicable to our work, but the concept and the sort of the mindset rigging. We have two systems. This is just for one of the systems, and that's basically some of the basic rules we're going to go through. So there's the vector forces, like angles between rigging, and then there's directional forces when you run an anchor over a pulley or anything. Cool it there. Got more films, but.